April vacation is wrapping up for students. The Challenger Learning Center in Bangor held an April break camp this week.
That's right. Little ones got to learn about space and even tapped into learning about wind energy, courtesy of UMaine engineering students. And the best part is this was their senior project.
Over the past few months, UMaine Engineering partnered with the Learning Center looking to amp things up a bit for both the UMaine students and younger participants at Challenger. Lead educator Sarah Raymond Boyant says the UMaine students turned up with a wind turbine prototype, which is a system designed to test weather conditions.
They're presenting their final product here today with the most scathing group of reviewers they could, our students, and they're going to learn a little bit about wind energy, pitch of the blades, maybe give them a couple hints on what shape works best, and you really just get to hear what it's like to be an engineering student and where these students are going when they graduate in just a few short weeks.
Following the demonstration, students got to try and work with the system. Challenger will also host summer camps. They're almost already filled up.
And if you're looking to enroll your kids in the camp, you might want to hurry. You can register at astronaut.org.